a bill for our birthday boy. And syempre, share naman ninyo ang inyong birthday wish for our birthday celebrant. First bill, may I request to come here, Joveline Baldeo.
Hi, anak. Ay, happy birthday, baby ko. Ang kwapo ng pamangkin ko. Alam ko, anak, kayang-kaya mo yung pangarap mo maging isang pilot, di ba? Sa ngayon, baby ka pa, bata ka pa, 7 years old ka pa. Pero alam kong kayang-kaya mo yan. Hindi ka susuko. Be a successful, anak. I love you. Happy birthday, baby.
The next will be Miss Matthew Migano.
Happy birthday, Kuya! Andre, wish ni Auntie Mapi ko yung happy palagi at maging malakas ang katawan. May takot sa Diyos at someday magiging isa kang maging pilot. Stand for Hinodia! Happy birthday!
The next will be Dax. Kahepe. Dax. Mr. Dax.
Happy birthday, Andre! Yes, we can always.
Ano yun?
The next will be
Mayroon ako.
Selena Espana.
Ano yun?
Let's jump for Ruby Sagutao.
Ano yun? Ay, wala. Si Tintin. Nagla-live ako eh.
The next will be Ana Hermosa.
Nakuhaanin kita. Nakuhaanin.
Happy birthday, Andre. Sana lumaki kang magalang at may takot sa Diyos. Magalang ka mabuti. Sumunod ka sa mga dito.
The next will be the last 7 bills, Monica Oligino.
Happy birthday, Andre. Mag-aral mabuti at magpakabait. Hindi magalang sa magulang. Happy birthday.
That will be our 7 bills. Once again, may request again here once again, Joey Alina, Mafe, Beth, Selena, Ruby, Anna, and Monica to have a group picture together with our birthday boy, Andre. One, two, three. Let's do the wacky shot. 1, 2, 3, wacky. And our, thank you so much. And our 7 wishes. And the 7 wishes first may call on come on stage. Zaijan Kahepe.
Happy birthday, Andre. Sana lumaki kang may galos sa magulang mo at may takot sa Diyos. Stay focused, stay humble, and more birthdays to come.
The next will be Angelica Baldeo.
Happy birthday, Andre. I wish that be great in your studies and you'll have girls when you grow up.
The next will be Carlos Oliver Solius.
Happy birthday, Andre. Sana lumaki kang may tao sa Diyos. Pagbutihin mo yung pag-aaral mo at sana maging successful ka mo sa future.
The next will be Miles Chloe.
Happy 7:30 Army. Wishing you a day filled with fun, laughter, and all the things that make you smile. May your year ahead be full of exciting adventures, new discoveries, and happy memories.
The next will be RJ Baldeo.
Hi, Andre. Wish ko sa'yo sana magaling na dancer.
And the next will be Chanel Ginodia.
Happy birthday, Andre. I wish ko sa'yo, sana huwag ka maging pasaway lalo. Huwag ka na tumulad sa akin. Kaya ko na to. Malaki ka na.
And the next will be Carlos Lindro.
Happy birthday, Andre. Mag-aaral mo at mainig sa magulang.
Once again, may request to come here, Saint Zaijan, Angelica, Carlos, Miles, RJ, Chanel, and
Picture ba
Carlos.
kayo dun?
Having a group picture together with all of you guys.
Doon, iba, doon. Mamaya. Picture. Ini.
Okay, there we have it. Thank you so much. The next will be our 7 candle.
Kayo na. Kayo na kayong dalawa. Tatlo dyan.
On our 7 candle, first,
Wag mo
meron
ganan.
natin here. Ay, tutusok ko ba dyan? The next will be Franz Migano.
Kanan. Sindihan mo kandila mo.
Happy birthday, Andre.
Yan sabihin mo din. Yan sabihin mo din mamaya pagtabigan yung
The
kandila. Happy
next will
birthday.
be Ashley Ginodia. The next will be Yuan Kahepe.
Ito, usap yung sabi ha.
Happy birthday, Ate. Sana lumaki ka na may takot sa Diyos. Tapos maabot mo yung
Huwag mo
pangarap
kainin.
na naging piloto.
The next will be Martin Villablanca.
Padan.
Happy birthday, Andre.
The next will be Marco Villablanca. Marco siya, di ba? Ay pala. Marco.
Diyan sa... Ilan ba? Alalayan ko si Ilara.
Happy birthday, Andre. Sana mag-aral ka ng mabuti.
Hindi.
The
Talagang
next
live
will
yan.
be
Live.
Cristólogo de Jesus.
Happy birthday.
And the last will be Lara Glindro.
Salita na. Ito, usok mo dito ah. Ito, usok mo dito ah. Pag nag-wish na siya. Ay, dito. Nahiwa ka dito? Nahiya ka? Nahiya ka. Sabi mo, happy
There
birthday.
we have it. That will be our 7th candle. Once again, friends, Ashley, you on Martin, Crisologo, Mark, and Lara. Let's take a picture together with our birthday boy.
Uy, punta na doon, picture doon. O, Jess ah. Kuya Jess, picturean ko. Mamaya pagtapos ko rin yun. Ayan, sige ko. Mamaya pagtapos. Sarado mo nga.
Tapos na ito, RJ. Kaya nakangawa naman kami.
Okay, now let's proceed for our game. Okay, anyway guys, before tayo mag-proceed to our half-served meals, this time let's proceed first for our games together with all of you guys. Kaya naman, once again, Mommy and Daddy, I wanted to call you a 5 members for the girls, and also a 5 member for the boys na makompleto sa ating game. And also, don't worry for all of you guys, we have a cash prize on that game. Okay, so we have 5 member of the
Lara,
girls.
Lara, ibigay mo din, oh. Ibigay mo din. Ibigay mo kay Arlen.
Chloe, Hannah, Nicey, Pauline, Angelica. Uy, di mo lang. Ay, Hannah, Chloe, Princess, Audrey, Angelica. Kuya Carlos, Kuya RJ, Kuya Ipon, Cloud, Justin.
Okay, all of the girls and all of the boys to come here on the center stage. Five girls, one straight line here. And all of the boys on the other side, one straight line. Tansuyin po ng mga bata, mga pumatamaan sila ha, dahil ang gate pong ito ay takbuhan.
Lara, tabi, tabi.
Alright, so now on our game, guys, this game is in what we call the Josie versus the Busan game. So guys, ganito po ang gagawin natin. You have your 10 negative number, pero pag naka-load sa inyo, I think you, remove that po. Remove na lang po yung inyong health. Okay. So first player, number 1, when I say go, you only have to do is to run. Literal po, takbo ang gagawin ninyo. Papunta po dito sa harapan, iikot on the chair. Pagdating sa harap ng chair, stop. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Wala kang go. Go! Stop po, stop. Okay, pag stop, raise your 2 hands. Shake your body 3 times. Ayan. Sabay, babalik po kayo ngayon sa inyong home base para sunduin si number 2. Go! Now, number 2, ang gagawin niyo naman po is yakapin si number 1. Hindi po sa kalin. Yakapin po on the hip. Yan. Then lock your hand. Lock. Hindi nakita. 1 and 2, may naman po ang gagawa with the same procedure. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Ayan. Ayan. Very good now. Up. Raise your 3 hands. First player lang po. Si first player lang po magtataas ng kamay. But you need to shake your body both numbers. Shake your body. Balik. Sunduin si number 3 hanggang sa matapos po ang player ninyo. Okay, sa kabit-kabit lang po. Okay? Okay. Ang mananalo on this round, we have a punishment for your team. Sa mananalo, we have a prize para sa mga winners. Again, sa talo, iwan dito sa harapan and we have a punishment. Alright, so let's see. Move backward, boys. Who will be the winner on this round? Get ready. On your mark. Ready. Set. Ready. Go! Shake your body. Go, 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 boys. Go, 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 go. Go. Shake your body. Go, 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 go. Number 3. Ang mananalo by 90 minutes. Shake, 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 shake. Don't forget to shake your body. Go, 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 go. Shake your body. Go, go, go. Stop. May nakalimutan po kung sabihin. Sa magiging last po, halimbawa nakabalik na po ang lahat, you need to shout happy birthday Grace to identify who will be the winner. Kaya naman, it's a practice game. Okay? So one more time. Ma'am, siya na lang po maglalas, yung nakapausa. Okay? Ready? Once again, this is ready. 1, 2, 3. Wala pang go. Go! Shake your body, you need to shout.
Shout happy birthday! Happy birthday, Rima!
Go, 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 go! Shake your body, don't forget! Get ready, who will be the winner? We have a punishment! Last, 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 go! Okay, who will be the winner?
Boys!
Tingnan natin ang ating mga punong jurado.
Boys!
Our first judge is one of the most famous hosts ng TV5, Face to Face, na walang iba, kundi si Miss John Abby Perez!
Boys! Boys!
girls. Okay. And the last judge, dito na natin malalaman kung sino ang tunay na mananalo. Ang tunay na matatalo dahil on our last judge is one of the most famous hosts on TV5, Sumbungan ng Bayan.
Boys.
Na walang iba kundi si Mr. Rapi Tulfo! Boys. And I'm the winner will be the boys here! Boys, congratulations! You will receive your limited edition of Magic Wand. And the girls team, I'm very sorry you have a banishment on our game. So I will give you a category, and also you only have to do is to choose your category on my category. Okay?
Wala naman na dito.
So we have a left, right, backward, forward, and around. Ma'am, choose one. Are you sure? 5, 4, 3, 2. Sure. Forward.
Left.
Left. Right. Backward, then also around. Let's start with the left. Move forward, left. Left. O, di ba right ka? Alam ko ba always or on left? O, siya yun. Left. O, ganito po ang gagawin mo, left. Point to the left. How to point to the left? Like this. Point to the left. On your one hand, on your hips. You need to greet Andre. Mataas po ha. You need to greet Andre happy birthday in 10 seconds. Happy birthday, Andre, like this. Happy birthday, Andre! 10 seconds. Binigyan kita ng chance. O, di ba? Nagbilang ako. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Andre, in 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Andre!
Palakpakan naman natin. Going out there. The next will be right. Right. Point to the right. On your one hand, on your hip. With the same procedure. Galing naman po ha. Ready? In 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Andre!
Wala pa po. Wala pa 10 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Andre!
Palakpakan naman natin. Good job. The next will be the round. Round. Ang dalawang kamay on your hips. Ganito naman po ang gagawin mo. Happy birthday, Andre, in 10 seconds like this. Happy birthday, Andre! 10 seconds. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Andre!
Parang di ka naman nagsasalita, girl. The next will be the backward. Backward, talikod. Squat. Literal na squat. Squat. 10 seconds, babatiin mo naman si Andre like this. Happy birthday, Andre! 10 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday!
Wait, ulit. Squat na literal. Dalawang kamay. May hawak akong mic eh. Yan. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday! Angel.
Ano yun? Ganon. Happy birthday, Andre! Ganon. Yung balakang. 1, 2, 3. Yan, ganyan. 1, 2, 3. Go.
Happy birthday, Angel.
Palakpakan nyo naman. Kahit sa'yo, up and down lang siya. Okay, the next will be the forward. Ang dalawang kamay, lagay sa bato. Ang kabilang binte, ganito naman po ang gagawin mo. Happy birthday, Andre, in 10 seconds like this. Happy birthday, Andre! 10 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Andre.
Naputol, ulitin po. Joke lang. Okay, thank you so much. Palakpakan nyo naman. Ayan, thank you so much and thank you for being supportive. I hope you enjoy our game and also you have a consolation prize for the 9 winners. You will receive a limited edition po ng MacBook powered by Apple. And also together with the Hook Bag powered by John Sports Bag. Tanin! Ito po, ang inyong consolation prize. And also, this time, once again, huwag na natin mo tagalin pa. Let's time to eating time. Matitikman nyo na po 100% ng Husker Goodness. Brought to you by John B. Kaliancan. Just sit back and relax and enjoy your meal. And we will be right back. Maraming salamat po. Just to share everybody guys, just a little short announcement. Hindi po namin bibigyan ng wala sa upuan. That's our rules. Wala po sa chairs. Ang hindi po maabutan and 1:1 lang po. Pag po nasa labas po yung kasama ninyo, mamaya po namin bibigyan once na pumasok po dito. Okay? Once again, maraming salamat and enjoy your meal and we will be right back.